to hold my hand, standing in the shadows of where we've been, sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been into places all at once. Wish that we
Oh, this is a nice one. This t-shirt. Yeah. That's a workout place. I'm gonna buy this and give it to Jordan.
Yeah.
Are they putting out more? Ooh, look at these. They fit. You found more? Well, hello my berries, it's me, Darkberry32, and as you see, we were at Goodwill. She went to 3 Goodwills today and picked me up on the way, and then I ended up at 2. So we're gonna make this really fast and just do a quick haul, and we'll show you guys what we got. So you pick something, I pick something, okay? All right, so y'all know I told you I'm gonna go with a boho chic type of office. I found this cute little lamp there for $9.99. I need to get a shade, some type of shade to put on top of it, but I thought this would be really cute on my desk as some type of lighting. Oh, I got some cotton balls. Oh, let me just tell you guys real fast why I got these cotton balls. First of all, they were 99 cents at the Goodwill, but I use my cotton balls, you know, I use those waxes that I put inside of the wall, you know, you plug them up in the wall and the waxes. Well, when those waxes go bad, I throw cotton balls in them and it soaks up the wax and you just throw them away. So that's why I like to always pick up cotton balls if I can find them. What you got, Kayla?
I got movies. First movie I have is Shark Tales. I've never seen it.
Kayla likes getting stuff like this.
And then I have Tree Girls 3.
And all these movies are what, like
$1.99.
$2. So this is good for if you have kids too.
Then I got Tree Girls 1. And then I got My Scenes. My Scenes. And I got Legally Blonde 2. Mama Hunt for 1. I got Monster High 13 Wishes. Monster High Rules Rule.
Can you all believe, like,
Monster High for 20
Fusion? You're 21 years old and she's 15.
And then I got the Justin Bieber Never Say Never, but that's my branch.
And then I found this sign that says Let's Be Homebodies. It's from Hobby Lobby. Isn't it cute? I think I'm going to also put this in my office because I love the raw wood look of it. And it was only $3.99 at the Goodwill.
And then I got this purse. It's, how do you say it? Christian Siriano?
Yeah, Christian Siriano.
Very cute.
Very cute. And then I got this sign. It's originally from Home Goods. I need to try to take the price off to see what the original price was. But I paid $6.99 for it, and it was regularly $16.99. And I thought this would be cute. I just need to like adhere the ribbon back on it like this. But I thought this would be cute to put on the island in the kitchen, you know, like just say something happy, or if I want to put like what we're having for dinner or something like that. But I thought it would be really cute, and it's all black, so that's going to look really good in the kitchen.
then I got these shoes. Very cute. They were $6.99. Oh,
And they're
the purse,
comfortable too. Huh?
the purse was $7.99. But yes, they're comfortable. What is that, like foam?
Okay, and then I ended up getting, we thought this was fun. I think me and Kayla are gonna get a kick out of this. I got this book, it's called All New Secret Restaurant Recipes, y'all. And like it has Jason's Deli in here. I think you saw Panera, California Pizza Kitchen, Bob Evans, Carrabba's, Hooters. Look at that Hooters original buffalo dip. Oh, we're gonna have some fun with this book. And this book was only $2.99, $3. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. To just kind of pick some things like on Friday night or Saturday night if you don't want to spend any money.
And I got these pants.
And I got those pants too. I got some just like it. And they're like bell bottom, y'all look. And we just think this is something comfortable that you can just throw on with a black t-shirt and be done with it, you know? And then I also got this cookbook here. This is a baking cookbook, even though your girl might have the celiac disease. I'm still gonna try to substitute certain there's something in here. What does it say? In the end, all you can really do is commit to the people you love. Hope for a little luck and good weather. That's weird, huh? That somebody wrote in here. Oh my. Oh, it's sticky pecan pie bars. I thought that was sticky toffee pudding cake recipe. But yeah, so yeah, I got this book. It's Intermans. Everybody knows Intermans. They have desserts all in the grocery stores. So it's Intermans Big Book of Cookies. So I'll have to probably try to substitute the flour and make it something. I don't know.
So I got these jeans. They're antique ball.
Yeah, those are cute.
I know they're cute.
And then I got this black Ralph Lauren polo shirt. It has a little red polo guy here at the bottom. And I thought it would be cute to go with those same pants that Kayla got that she just showed you, these right here. Just something cute to just lounge around the house. I'm probably gonna wash all this stuff and then I can, you know, wear it. Did we say what brand? Oh, yeah, yeah.
I got these pants. These are Air Force. They're cute.
I like that. Look at that with the little jeans. And then I got this. I guess this was in the dress aisle. It's a 3X, but I really like it because it's high splits right here on the end, and I feel like I can wear this with a pair of jeans, roll them up, and have this on top and kind of flowy or whatever, and put on a pair of gray heels or something like that would be really, really cute. So yeah, and I think this was probably like $7.99. Most of the dresses I think are $7.99. I don't even know how much these pants were. Or the shirt. I don't know, because they had like different sales, you know. Yeah, a lot of receipts in them. What you got?
They're not. I got a Revlon flat iron for $5.99. My braids.
And then y'all, I found this when we first walked in, and at first we kind of thought, but this was from New York and Company, and isn't this just adorable? It has power, inspire, unity on it, and I just thought this was really cute with, I don't know, a pair of, I keep seeing like a red, even a red flared skirt or something and some heels, just to be like, you see all black. I can see all kinds of things with this. I can even see a jacket on top of it if you wanted to, you know. But I think it's really cute. And it's kind of cropped a little bit. So we'll see how that works out.
Then I got these pants. They're like sweatpants. But there's a twist. Because they're stacked. So like when you put them on, they just like bunch up at the bottom.
Really? I want you to try them on after you finish. This is how it's struck. And then I got this shirt, but it's for my son. I think, yeah, this is a man's shirt, right? GBG Los Angeles. It looks like a man thermal type shirt. Yeah, so I got it for Jordan, so give that to my son, please.
And then last thing I got was a popcorn bowl for $7.99.
And at least that's what she's gonna use it for. Like, I don't know what is up with my kids. I think I spoiled them or something. Was that what it was? Okay, because when they were younger, I had this big blue bowl, and I called it a popcorn bowl, and we would pop popcorn and put that popcorn in, and they, every since then, they feel like when they pop a bag, you know, most people eat the popcorn straight out the bag. Not them. They have to put it in some kind of bowl. Every single time. Yeah, every single time. So then, this is the last thing I got. You guys saw, I was trying it on in the store, so I went on and decided to get it. I don't have any place to go in this thing, but one day I just feel like I will, and I wanted to have something ready, and you can't beat for $7.99 this beautiful dress, gold and white. It fit perfectly. I really like it. I don't know. I thought it was really, really super cute, and it fit very well. So, and I thought it was flattering. All right, guys, that is it. That is our quick haul, right? One more thing. Again, look out for things at your local Lowe's, Home Depot. People return things all the time that they've ordered online that you can't get in the store. And my daughter found me a dough bowl at Lowe's for $5, guys. Look how beautiful this dough bowl is. I have no idea where I'm gonna put it yet, but I know I'm gonna use it somewhere. I might even put it, I'm thinking about the entry table. It'd be pretty on the entry table. So yeah, I love it. I think it's so super cute. So yeah, look at, how do people find deals like that at Lowe's? Like, what should they do? What do you guys do with the returns? Do y'all put them in a basket?
I couldn't find that because I was at customer service, but I don't, it's like sometimes they put the stuff, when they do like a lot of clearance, sometimes they'll put the stuff out, but like some of the bigger items will be like in the clearance area by appliances, like the cabinets and stuff like that. But it'll say, it'll say like, if it's ordered online, it'll say SOS on it. And depending on, like, if it's been a week and it's been returned, they give you 50%, and then every week after that.
Oh, okay. So like something like this, if you hadn't found this particular thing, where would it have been? In a basket by customer service?
Honestly, that would have been anywhere because we couldn't find it. Like, you have to find the order and everything, so you know how much to mark off of it. We didn't find anything like that, so we just gave it to her.
So yeah, she purchased this for $5, guys. I'm so super excited. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to our Goodwill haul. We always love a good Goodwill haul, right? Always love going to a good Goodwill. And she just happened to call me, and I was like, why are you gonna pick me up? And so she did, and then now you see all the damage that I did. So yeah, guys, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you again. Oh, before I end this video, don't forget to subscribe, because as you can see, we do all kinds of videos over here, from cooking, cleaning, decor, DIY, shopping, some fashion, some vlogs. We do it all over here. And don't forget, I'm also doing a new home update, a new construction journey that we're on right now, that my husband and I were building our forever home. So if this sounds like some great content that you would like to see and be a part of, and comment, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, and that's another thing. Let us know what was your favorite thing in the haul. Like, what was one of the favorite things that we found? That we actually found. And then yeah, comment about what do you think about this 21-year-old buying these movies and stuff. Alright guys, so thank you again for tuning in, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye. Thank you.
My pants.
Yeah, I want to see. Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube, and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay, guys, thank you again. Bye.